get into the fro. Let's get into the details. Let me do a little 360. This flight is arriving on time. So catch her on the runway. What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Catch Her on the Runway. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. As you can see, I have my afro out. Usually when I'm on the channel talking about the hair or the fro, you know, I usually have my hair in a protective style, or I'm usually rocking the curls. I decided to do a little something different and rock my afro today in its natural state. Because it's not always about the curls. I love the afro also. So just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. If you've been watching my videos from the beginning of time, you know where my afro was then and where it is now. And just knowing my hair journey, you can definitely appreciate it. And I'm in love with the afro. There's something about my fro that makes me feel powerful. Comment down below if you can relate. But anyways, this video is going to be about some hair growth tips that have been working for me in the last couple of years. And when I started doing these things consistently, putting in work, this is when I started to see real results. If you're new to my channel, I am on a journey to healthy waist length hair, and if you've been following me from day one, you know where I was then and you know where I'm at now. So I'm here to give some tips to the people who are on that same journey or just trying to grow their hair healthy, not necessarily waist length, but just having healthy hair in general. But before I begin, I want to remind you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And give this video a thumbs up as well if you like what you see. All right, so I kind of just wrote a list down so that I wouldn't forget anything. Literally there's four things that I've literally been doing, and I've been consistent with this for a while now. I have not changed up the routine yet. Pretty much like every couple of months or every year or so, I'll change things or add things in there. But these are the things that I've been doing that has been working for me in my journey, and the hair is popping right now. Step one, pray. Okay, this is very important. Why? There's nothing that I do, period, without praying first. I don't make a move without praying. I don't make a move without talking to God. Okay, some of you guys might think it's kind of crazy, like, okay, are we really about to pray about hair? But listen, sis, if you've been struggling with your hair and you're trying to figure out, why is my hair falling out, why can't I grow my hair, I've been doing everything, I've been using all these products, I've been following all the rules, honey, if you ask not, then you have not. Okay, so if this is a problem and something that you're really concerned about, or you know, you just want to talk to God, like, Lord, can you give a sister a couple of inches? Can you let my hair grow back? It's falling out. I'm scared, Father. Because there was a period in time where, you know, through this hair journey, my hair was falling out, and we'll get into that a little bit later. So, you know, I had to talk to God about that, you know, and my hair grew back, and that's that. Tip number 2. This is my favorite. A ton of protective styling, low manipulation. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, by the way, it's Catch Her on the Runway _ in between each word. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm always wearing wigs, braids, twists, faux locks, goddess locks, whatever it is. My hair is never out. It's barely out. If my hair is out, but it'll be out for maybe a week or two, just because I don't feel like putting it in something. You know, I do give myself time for my hair to breathe in between protective styles. I don't I know some people jump from one protective style and jump right into the next. No, I give myself time to breathe, but for the most part I'm always protective styling. My hair is never out. You know, I wear wigs a lot. That's like my favorite protective style, because I can just take it on and off every day like a hat. And people are like, why do you wear wigs? Because your hair is so long. That's not why we're out here wearing wigs, okay? People out here with their hair down to their booties wearing wigs. That's not what it's about all the time. I wear it because I don't have to do anything to my natural hair, literally. So literally that's my first go-to before I have to sit there, put braids in, put twists in, faux locks, whatever it is, because I do my own hair. It's tiring. Next step, make sure that internally you are taken care of, okay? This is very important, and I want to share a quick story. I'm not going to get too deep into it. If you guys want to hear like details and me to get down and knit to the nitty gritty with this, then leave a comment down below, and you know, I'll save that for another video. But there was a time, you know, kind of recent, where I was combing my hair and washing it, and I'm noticing chunks and chunks and chunks is just falling out, and I'm like, what is going on right now? What is going on? No exaggeration, like this is how much hair was coming out. Just one wash, one comb, every single time. Like even after detangling, this is what was coming out. A big ball of yarn. Okay, now this, I don't have that problem anymore. So this big ball that you see, this is just me collecting hair, because I knew that I wanted to talk about this in this video. Chunks were coming out and I didn't know what was going on. So I actually went to my doctor, went for a physical, didn't even go in for any of this, went for a physical. They did blood work. Long story short, it came out that I had an iron deficiency. Okay, I was like, what is this? What's going on? Like, I started doing my research after panicking and having a whole heart attack in the hospital, basically. You know, they had me on iron supplements. If you know me, I'm not a big pill person at all, so immediately I started looking into natural remedies and everything, about how to get the iron that I was lacking without popping iron pills every day. So currently right now I am taking a some vegan pills. They have beetroot in them, and vitamin C, which are, vitamin C helps your body absorb the iron better. So there's apparently a ton of people out there, men and women, who suffer from iron deficiency. You know, so if you go to your doctor and you get this blood work, don't feel like you're alone in the world, because that's how I felt until I literally went on YouTube and started Googling iron deficiency related to hair loss and all this stuff. Clearly, it seems like the whole black community especially has an iron deficiency, and it may or may not be related to your hair. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist, but from doing my research, it could lead to hair loss. So that was something I was dealing with. Right now, like I said, I'm drinking, I make beetroot juice with carrots in it, very high in iron. Yeah, I drink that from time to time, and also taking my vegan iron supplements with my vitamin C. So, you know, I'm happy to say that I am no longer shedding like crazy, like a snake, and my hair is slowly getting back to the way it used to be. So just go to the doctor, make sure everything, because sometimes, you know, we buy like thousands of products, especially black women. We are like product obsessed. We don't know what's in these things. We just buying them because we see the next person wearing this, wearing that. So if you could go natural and just use some natural things, I would highly recommend it, other than buying up a whole bunch of products with God knows what kind of chemicals in them. Go the natural way, but go to the doctor, because if you did all you could and your hair is breaking and it's excessive, it might help you to go to the doctor, because you never know. It could be something internally. There's so many different reasons for like that are related to hair loss other than iron deficiency. Okay, last on my list this is my first go-to right now, and I've been doing this once or twice a month, and this has really aided me in my iron deficiency struggle, recovery, whatever you want to call it, period. It has really aided me in just bringing back that hair strength, just renewing and restoring all the luscious tresses that I once had, and I'm trying to make sure I maintain and get back, you know. And that is, I call it my avocado aloe vera plant treatment. So I use avocado and aloe vera plants. It's a great blend among some other things. Every month, about twice a month, I do them on my wash days. And this treatment, the first time I did it, I noticed a difference in my hair instantly. Like the strength, the elasticity, everything. Like I was just like, oh, okay, we found something. We working on something here. So I just kept doing it, and like my hair was just on steroids. It was growing like crazy. I'm going to upload a video of actually exactly step by step on how I do my aloe vera and avocado treatments, so I can show you guys exactly what I do step by step, how I make it, everything, so that you can try this at home. It's all natural. This goes back to just home remedies and things, you know, not buying up a whole bunch of products. These are natural, these are from the earth, and you know, they have a lot of properties and ingredients, things in them that can really help with your hair growth journey. Okay, real quickly, I'm gonna do like a fake length check right now, because obviously my hair is in its natural state, but I'm gonna take a portion, and guys, I don't ever comb my hair when it's dry like this, so do as I say, not as I do. Okay, okay, so let's see, let's kind of see what's going on. Let's see where it is, like when it's stretched. Let me straighten my head up. Okay, so right now I am at raw length. Okay, my hair is right there at raw length. I probably need a clipping, but I am at raw length. This is an ongoing journey, and I'm so happy to have you guys along with me. Again, thanks for joining me. This is Catcher on the Runway. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys check out my description box below. I'm going to leave some links to just some of my other hair videos, my journey so far. Hey, now walk out with me. Walk out with me. Walk out with me. Walk out with me. Hey, hey.